In Miami Gardens, homeowners are embracing a new wave of modern home design, one that emphasizes clean lines, open spaces, and a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor living. At the heart of this design evolution lies one key feature: windows. Modern window designs don't just let in light, they transform how a home looks, feels, and performs. From maximizing natural brightness to improving energy efficiency and curb appeal, today's windows can completely redefine your Miami Gardens home exterior. Here's a closer look at the top modern window styles that can elevate your home's appearance and functionality. Floor-to-ceiling windows. Bringing the outdoors in, few design choices make a statement like floor-to-ceiling windows. These expansive glass panels erase boundaries between inside and outside, allowing natural light to flood your space while framing the tropical scenery that makes Miami Gardens so special. Perfect for living rooms or open-plan areas, floor-to-ceiling windows emphasize spaciousness and luxury. Their sleek, minimalist frames complement both contemporary and coastal-style homes. When paired with low-E, low-emissivity glass, they also reflect heat and harmful UV rays, helping to keep interiors cool without sacrificing brightness. The result? A home that feels airy, modern, and connected to the Florida sunshine, without driving up your energy bills. Casement windows. Sleek design meets superior functionality. Casement windows are a timeless choice that blends form and function beautifully. Hinged at the side and opening outward, they allow excellent airflow while maintaining a clean, modern appearance. Their uninterrupted glass panels provide expansive views and let in abundant natural light, making them ideal for areas where you want ventilation and visibility, such as kitchens, bedrooms, or sitting areas. Modern casement windows in Miami Gardens often feature slim aluminum or fiberglass frames, which resist corrosion and moisture while maintaining a stylish, contemporary look. They also seal tightly when closed, offering top-tier insulation and energy efficiency. Sliding windows. Minimalism in motion. If you're drawn to simplicity and practicality, sliding windows might be your perfect match. Their horizontal operation is smooth, space-saving, and easy to maintain, ideal for Miami Gardens homes that prioritize modern functionality and sleek lines. Sliding windows provide wide, unobstructed views and promote natural cross-ventilation. With their low-profile frames and expansive glass, they fit perfectly in modern architecture, where openness and natural light are key design principles. Additionally, today's models include insulated glass and weather-resistant seals, ensuring that even in Florida's humid climate, your windows remain efficient and easy to operate year-round. Picture windows. Framing Miami Gardens' beauty in a place as scenic as Miami Gardens, it only makes sense to showcase your surroundings. Picture windows are fixed, non-opening designs that act like oversized frames for your exterior views. Their simple structure, no hinges, sashes, or moving parts, makes them incredibly energy efficient while providing maximum natural light. Picture windows are perfect for accent walls or areas where you want to create a visual centerpiece without sacrificing insulation. Combine them with operable windows like casement or awning styles for the best of both worlds: beauty, light, and fresh air. Bay and bow windows. Architectural depth and dimension. If you're looking to add elegance and dimension to your Miami Gardens home exterior, bay and bow windows are excellent options. These window styles project outward from the wall, creating additional interior space and a visually appealing exterior focal point. Bay windows feature 3 panels set at angles, while bow windows use 4 or more panels in a gentle curve. Both styles introduce architectural depth and increase natural light in rooms like dining areas or living spaces. Modern versions of these windows can be customized with energy-efficient glass, vinyl frames, or aluminum finishes that match your home's contemporary aesthetic while offering long-lasting durability. Awning windows. Light and ventilation, rain or shine. For Miami Gardens homeowners who love fresh air but don't want to worry about rain, awning windows are a smart choice. Hinged at the top and opening outward, they allow airflow even during light showers. Their horizontal design makes them perfect for pairing above or below larger window types. When strategically placed, awning windows can improve ventilation throughout your home while enhancing visual interest on the exterior. Built with weather-resistant materials, they're a reliable and stylish addition to any modern Florida home. Custom window designs. Tailored for Miami Gardens. Living every home in Miami Gardens has its own character, and custom windows allow you to highlight that uniqueness. Whether you prefer bold geometric shapes, tinted glass, or specialty frame colors, customization ensures your windows match your home's architecture perfectly. Custom designs also make it easy to incorporate hurricane-resistant glass, UV protection, and thermal insulation, ensuring your home looks great and stays protected from the elements. Final thoughts. In Miami Gardens, modern window design is about more than aesthetics. It's about creating harmony between your home's style, comfort, and the tropical environment around you. From expansive floor-to-ceiling glass to sleek casement or picture windows, the right design can elevate your home's exterior and enhance your lifestyle. By choosing professionally installed, energy-efficient modern windows, you'll enjoy a brighter, more comfortable home that reflects the best of Miami Gardens living, sophisticated, vibrant, and full of natural light.